We wanted to make a course that was relevant to industry, not about only the theoretical part, but also the hands-on, how do you do it in real life? Getting students ready for life, that was very important for us.
So the RMIT collaboration for us is about doing the right thing. It's about working with great students. It's about ensuring that the industry's got an enormous platform as we move forward. And if we can play a role in that, then it's something we're exceptionally proud of.
The project that we've run this semester has been amazing with the product development students. Students have been developing their ranges with sustainable features for kidswear. What they've come up with has just been outstanding. We've been so excited to see all of their progress through the 3 times that they've come to visit us.
We've come up with a final range for the collection that we've planned, and it's been so fantastic to get their feedback along the way. So each of the presentations, they've given us advice, what went well, what we can maybe work on, and it's really helped us to improve our final work.
It kind of give us like just sneak peek of how it is like to work in the industry. Today is actually my first day being here. It's exciting, at the same time nervous.
The highlight for me so far has just been seeing the new direction that the students are taking it, all the interesting little details that they're putting on and how they're really embracing sustainability as part of the entire process has been really amazing.